How to join Telegram application private channel without admin permission. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be showing you how you can join the private channels in the Telegram easily. So first thing first, you just need to make sure you have your Telegram installed on your device, and just make sure to respect the privacy, as this is only for the informational purposes. So in the step 1, if you're trying to join a private Telegram channel, contact someone who's already in the channel and ask for the channel link. And if your link doesn't look like this, just make ensure it look like this and it's a valid and working invite link. And after that, in the step 3, you will be redirected to the browser or any app. After clicking the invitation link, if it's valid, you will see the join button. And if a channel needs approval, ask a member to notify the admin. They can send your details of the profile. And of course, try hitting join button, as some private channels allows automatic joining. So hope this video was helpful guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.